Welcome to our video on maximizing your earnings with YouTube automation, monetization strategies. If you're a YouTube creator, you know how important it is to monetize your channel. Not only does it allow you to earn revenue from your hard work, but it also allows you to continue creating and sharing content with your audience. In this video, we'll be discussing various strategies and tools you can use to monetize your channel through automation. First, let's talk about why monetizing your channel is so important. As a YouTube creator, you're likely spending a lot of time and energy creating and publishing content. Whether you're filming, editing, or writing, it takes a lot of effort to produce high-quality videos that your audience will enjoy. By monetizing your channel, you're able to earn revenue from your hard work, which can be used to cover your production costs or even help you turn your hobby into a full-time job. Now, let's dive into the different monetization strategies we'll be covering in this video. We'll start by discussing affiliate marketing, which is a great way to earn revenue by promoting other people's products in your videos. We'll also talk about sponsored content, which allows you to earn money by working with brands to create videos that showcase their products or services. Next, we'll take a look at monetization tools like Google AdSense, which can be used to place ads on your videos and earn revenue from them. Finally, we'll talk about how automation can be used to maximize your earnings potential. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the different strategies and tools you can use to monetize your channel and maximize your earnings. So, let's get started. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your YouTube channel. It involves promoting other people's products or services in your videos and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to find products or services that are relevant to your audience and that you believe in. Once you've found a product, you can sign up for their affiliate program and get your unique affiliate link. When incorporating affiliate links into your videos, it's important to be transparent with your audience and let them know that you'll be earning a commission if they purchase the product through your link. It's also a good idea to only promote products that you have personally used and can recommend. By using affiliate marketing, you can earn money from your videos without having to rely on advertising revenue alone. Sponsored content is another way to monetize your YouTube channel. It involves working with brands to create videos that showcase their products or services in exchange for payment. To get started with sponsored content, you'll need to build a strong audience and create high-quality content that is relevant to the brands you want to work with. Once you've done that, you can reach out to brands or use platforms like IZEA, Aspire IQ, etc. to connect with them and pitch your ideas for sponsored content. It's important to disclose that the content is sponsored to your audience, as per FTC guidelines. You can do this by adding a disclaimer in the video description or verbally mentioning it in the video. By using sponsored content, you can earn money by working with brands and promoting their products in your videos. Monetization tools are another way to monetize your YouTube channel. One of the most popular and widely used tools is Google AdSense. AdSense is a program run by Google that allows you to place ads on your videos and earn revenue from them. To use AdSense, you'll need to sign up for an account and link it to your YouTube channel. Once you've done that, you can start placing ads on your videos and earning revenue from them. AdSense also offers various options to customize the ads, such as in-video overlays, sponsored cards, etc. You can also use the AdSense reports to see the performance of the ads and optimize them to earn more revenue. In addition to AdSense, there are other monetization tools available for YouTube creators. For example, YouTube's partner program allows you to join their network and earn revenue from ads, sponsorships, and more. By using monetization tools like AdSense, you can earn more revenue from your videos and supplement your income from other monetization strategies. Automating tasks is another way to maximize your earnings potential on YouTube. You can save time and effort by automating repetitive tasks, such as uploading videos, responding to comments, and optimizing your channel for monetization. There are various tools and software available that can help you automate different aspects of your channel. For example, you can use tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule your videos for upload at specific times. You can also use software like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to help you optimize your videos for SEO and monetization. It's important to use automation tools responsibly and never to compromise the quality of your content or engagement with your audience. Automation can help you save time and effort, but it should never replace the hard work and dedication that goes into creating high-quality content and building a strong audience. By using automation tools, you can make the most money possible by saving time and energy on tasks that you do over and over again. This lets you focus on making great content for your audience. In this video, we reviewed different strategies and tools you can use to automate the process of making money from your YouTube channel. We've covered affiliate marketing, sponsored content, monetization tools like Google AdSense, and automation. By using these tips and tools, you can make the most of your hard work as a YouTube creator and earn money from it. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is to focus on creating high-quality content and building a strong audience. In summary, affiliate marketing is a way to earn revenue by promoting other people's products in your videos. With sponsored content, you can work with brands to make videos that show off their products or services and get paid for it. Monetization tools like Google AdSense can be used to place ads on your videos and earn revenue from them. Automation can help you save time and effort by automating repetitive tasks. We hope this video was helpful for you, and we encourage you to use these strategies and tools to help your channel grow. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, as we have more coming up. Thanks for watching.